So today I want to talk about something a little different, stepping out your comfort zone as a producer, engineer or creator. If you're like me, you're probably in the studio, working on your craft, trying to get better at what you do. But there's only so much that we can do on our own. Last month I went to 2 different networking events. One was a business event and one was a creative event. So the first business event was completely different to music. And the people there had businesses from all different areas. But what was good about going there is the people that I met, being able to talk to them face to face and make some good connections, some real good connection, some genuine people who actually want to help me to do well. So my only regret about going to this event, or both the events, is that I didn't document in a way that I wanted to. Because if you've been watching my videos, I've started to document some of my day-to-day life, some of the behind the scenes and stuff like that. But the business event that I went to, the first one, I actually met someone who lives on my street. I've never spoke to them, so I got a chance to talk to them, and yeah, that was cool. And then talking to other people who starting up their businesses and getting cards. Spoke to one guy who he's creating a workshop where he needs a producer, needs sound engineers and stuff like that. And if I didn't go, I would have never known about that. I also got talking to someone else who put me onto another event, which was the week after, and that was for more like a creator event. And if I didn't go to this business event, I would never have known about that. I would never have known about all that, the help that's out there as a business, even though in the back of my mind, I didn't really want to go. So I'm glad I went. The next event I went to, the creator event, now the place that was held at was an actual studio. It's an actual building, a place where it's in there. It's got like meeting rooms, it's got studios, it's got a room for where you can do photography. You can do photo shoots, video shoots, and also like a nice little studio space where you can do like podcast recordings and things like that, which was really cool. And again, if I didn't go to the event, I would never have known about that. And that's there right in the city that I live in. Crazy. But what's good about going to these events is you get to meet people who's in the same boat as you, who's facing the same struggles, who's trying to elevate their business and their creativity and move forward. And yeah, it's just kind of makes you feel, or lets you know that you're not on your own. Which, like I said, if you're like me, you're probably in the studio all the time working solo. So what's my point here? As creators, we feel like we can do everything on our own. I'm guilty of that. But sometimes stepping out into the world, meeting people face to face can open up so many doors and opportunities that we didn't even know existed. These events, it's not just about going there and handing out cards. Like, you can build real relationships and connections with people who want you to win. You might go there thinking, I've got nothing to offer, but you're creative, you're a creator, you're doing something, you've got a story to tell. You might go there and elevate someone else's career. They might help you to push your career forward. So what I hope this video does is encourage you to get out there, meet people, network, find events in your area. Go on Eventbrite if you're in the UK. If you're in the US, I'm not sure what you'd use to find where events are, where your networking events will be. But I'm sure if you just put a search in Google or even ask ChatGPT, you'll find some. Like I said, if you feel a bit anxious or you're a bit shy to talk to people, let them talk. Let them lead the conversation, and then say what you have to say about what it is that you do, because you've got something to offer. You've got a story to tell, and the more that you do it, the more you're going to start getting comfortable with being out of your comfort zone. So I hope this video encourages you. I hope it inspires you to get out there, network, share your talents and your story, and don't shy away of opportunities that are out there that could help you to progress. I'm telling you to get out there. I'm giving you permission to go out there and network. And if you haven't done already, drop a comment below. I'll send you some links of how you can find some events. If you have been going to events and you've had some success from going to networking events, drop a comment below and let me know how it's gone. Let us know how it's gone, because we're all out here learning, we're all out here trying to get better. So yeah, let's just share, keep sharing. I appreciate you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.